Hi everyone, this is Rafal Baranowski. I'm a technical director in Volcha Solar. In today's episode, I would like to focus on one of the SOFAR Solar inverters, which is the string inverter. It's the model called SOFAR Solar 3-6KTLM-G3, which means generation third of on-grid or string inverters. That episode is dedicated to that inverter because we are currently rolling out the school program where each school needs to have a solar system installed, single phase 6 kilowatts on-grid string inverters. I hope you're gonna like that episode. If you're missing something, if you want to see something more in depth that I did cover, please download the link, check our website in the link, and contact our technical department. This is basic information about the product. Okay, this is again SOFAR 3-6KTLM-G3 generation 3 of string inverter. String or on-grid inverter means that the inverter isn't battery ready, so it's not the hybrid, it's just on-grid inverter. It's gonna produce, and whatever it's gonna produce, it's gonna be sending to the loads of your house. And if the house load is fulfilled, rest will be exported to the grid or feed into the grid. So this model that we need to focus today, there's various models, 3, 3.6, 4, 4.5, and 6 kilowatts. 6 kilowatts will be used in the school program, okay? So this is the single phase dual MPPT inverter. Max efficiency up to 98.4%, very compact design, lightweight, so the installation is going very quick. 2 MPPTs with 150% DC overload, natural cooling, no fans, low noise. Feed-in limitation function can be enabled using dedicated meter and CD. Communication of the device between the meter and inverter is via RS485. You can have the option to log into the unit via Bluetooth. Optionally included in the box is the Wi-Fi logger. Okay, so we're gonna start with the datasheet. This is again SOFAR 6KTLM-G3 string inverter or on-grid inverter. It's not battery ready. Whatever it's going to produce is going to support the load, and the rest will be fed into the grid or exported to the grid. Okay. Max input voltage is up to 600 volts. Make sure it's never ever hit that because you're going to damage the inverter. You're basically going to burn the MPPTs in it. Rated input voltage, which is the sweet spot of the inverter, is 380 volts. Okay. Startup voltage of 90 volts. Startup means that the inverter HMI will wake up. It's not the production won't start at that. Okay. MPPT operating voltage between 80 and 550. There is 2 MPPT trackers, one for each MPPT input. Maximum input current is 15 amps and maximum input short circuit current is 22.5. AC output maximum will be 6 kilowatts. Max apparent power will be 6000 volt amperes. Maximum output current up to 29 amps. Rated output voltage at 230. Output voltage range between 180 to 76, depends on the grid. Basically, all inverters have the safety parameters that you can't cross, and inverters always gonna synchronize to the grid, so if the grid going high, the inverter voltage going high as well. This is just the frequency, 50-60 Hertz. Output range between 45 and 55, 55 to 65, variable across different countries and different safety parameters. Active adjustable range between 0 and 100%, so that means you can limit the inverter, let's say, to 50% export. Total harmonic distortions less than 3%. power factor 1, adjustable plus minus to down to 0.8. 6 kilowatt max efficiency 98.4%. European efficiency 97.5%. Protection in the inverter: DC reverse polarity, anti-islanding protection, leakage current protection, ground fault monitoring, PV array string fault monitoring, DC switch, SPD type 3 on the PV side and type 3 on the AC side. General data: ambient temperature range between -30 to +60 degrees. Self-consumption at night 1 watt. Topology: it's the transformers inverter. Degrees of protection IP65, so you can place it outside. Allowable humidity range between 0 and 100%. Operating altitude 4,000 meters. Cooling is natural. Dimensions, as you can see, 35 centimeters by 34.4 centimeters, and it's 16.4 deep. Weight is 10 kgs. Display, it has a LCD and built-in Bluetooth. Monitoring is via SolarMan Business for the trade and SolarMan Smart for monitoring for end users. Communication being carried out by RS485 and Wi-Fi logger. All the European standards in place, including the Irish one, so we are ready to rock and roll the schools with that.